Hi there, it's George here, long time no see. I just came with a new video. I have a new plant in my collection, a cactus. My birthday was in 26 May and at work, where I work, I was surprised. A friend at work, she gifted me this beautiful cactus, as you can see. Such amazing, you know. This is Echinopsis, right? So look, an umbrella here as well, like a decoration. I'm very happy gift, such a gift. And she says to repot in a bigger container, and after a week I will have to do that, you know, and have so many babies on it. Will grow more big, like with all the babies here, but one I have to remove to grow separately, you know, and see how in my care it will grow. And that cactus, when I will remove, I let only that. I will not let babies to grow, you know, and we'll see how beautiful it will be grow. But this is beautiful too, as you can see how many and beautiful. I have to repot. I will search for a beautiful pot, and after a week or so I will have to do reporting video, and we'll see. Just so happy. Her name is Nina, and thanks a lot, Nina, for this gift. And now I will have to show you close up how it look in this cactus. It's beautiful, right? And that woman who gave me this cactus, as you can see, is very beautiful with this umbrella. She said to put at the PC, you know, they like at the PC is like radiation, and they like radiation. And but in my opinion, I will have to just bring outside in the sunlight, give him a lot of sunny and light, and in winter time put this cactus somewhere where it's cold to go in hibernation, in dormancy, or whatever it is. And then in springtime it will bloom very vigorously, you know. And let's see, you know, how to do that, and remove one baby from there and grow separately. And I will do that in the video. I will upload another video, but in this video we'll have to show you how it looks like right now. So it is just beautiful with this umbrella. And welcome to my collection. Welcome to Grow with George. So just amazing. And I noticed not any holes on this pot, and for that reason I have to report it after a week, and I will make video. So it is a very beautiful Echinopsis. Maybe you know what is too young to see what kind of Echinopsis is this, what variety. Also I have at home Echinopsis oxygona, which was a very beautiful bloom last year, and hope this year too it will bloom. Already started, I did see a flower bud, so I wait on this one to bloom too, but have to take care. I notice here a baby grow, a big baby, it grow on the mother plant here. This is most big, and others are like small but many. So just anyway, it's beautiful how they look like together, but I prefer to grow one more big with no babies on it. I will see, just, you know, I will put a tag, you know, that's it. Well, hope you enjoyed this video of this cactus, and for sure I will make another video how I will repot, and just have to wait a little bit. So enjoy this video, I hope, and thanks a lot for watching to the end. That really means a lot for my channel, and see you next time. George was here. Bye bye.